In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than one row in a table in Microsoft Word. Tables are a great way to organize and present information clearly, and sometimes you need to add multiple rows at once instead of inserting them one by one. Microsoft Word makes it easy to expand your tables efficiently. To begin, open your Word document and navigate to the table where you want to add rows. Click inside the table to activate it. Once the table is selected, you'll see the table tools appear at the top of the screen with two tabs, Design and Layout. Click on the Layout tab, which contains all the tools for managing table structure. In the Layout tab, look for the Rows and Columns group. Here you'll find options to insert rows above or below your current selection. To add multiple rows, first select the same number of existing rows that you want to add. For example, if you want to add 3 new rows, select 3 existing rows in your table. Next, click either Insert Above or Insert Below in the Rows and Columns group. Word will add the same number of new rows as you selected, either above or below your chosen area. This method allows you to add multiple rows simultaneously without repeating the insert process. Another option is to right-click on the table and choose Insert from the context menu. Then select Insert Rows Above or Insert Rows Below, depending on where you want the new rows to appear. You can repeat this process multiple times to add as many rows as needed, but using the first method is faster when adding several rows at once. If your table spans multiple pages, Word will automatically adjust the layout so the new rows fit within the document, keeping your formatting consistent. By using these tools, you can efficiently expand your tables in Microsoft Word, saving time and keeping your data organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.